Hello! Do you know how to work out the area of a trapezium like this? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So this is a trapezium, and to work it out, all you need to do is know 3 measurements. So you'd first work out, or be told, the bases, so the widths. Okay, so you have 2, and then you could have 8 down here. Okay, and then you need to know what the height is. And I'm just going to make one up here. I'm going to say 4. Okay, and then all you do is you add the bases, the widths together. So you go 2 plus 8, and what does that equal? Yes, well done, it equals 10. And then you times this number by the height, so you by 4. So then it would go 10 times 4, and that equals 40, okay? And then we do one final step. We divide the total by 2, so we half it, okay? So you go 40 divided by 2, and that equals, yes, ding ding ding, that equals 20. And that's all you do to work out the area. So you add the bases, the widths, times it by the height, and then you divide that number by 2, and that is your area. And just know, usually with questions like this, there'll be centimetres or in a measurement, okay? And then what that means is you just put that measurement plus squared. So if this was centimetres here and all these are centimetres, then this answer would be centimetres squared with a little 2 above it. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!